from their home countries because of dictatorship. Can't speak, can barely work, can barely eat. They had to flee. It's a shame. It is. But when you don't have the support, perhaps the smartest thing you can do is, what happens when all of a sudden there's a spark and all of the regular people...
Oh, I'm afraid we're gonna need a better look at that guy.
Really get with the law, né? That's the law. What happens when all of a sudden there's a spark and all of the regular people said, I'm mad as hell and I'm not going to take it? All of a sudden then you have that popular ground support to say no more. Here's what might happen. The Cuban police, apparently, what do they call the Black Berets, have been coming out beating and arresting people. This could ignite more anger and rage among Cubans who don't like the government but are too scared. Eventually they realize, no matter what, the authoritarians will come to your door and they will kick it in and they'll take your stuff and they will beat you. And then what happens when someone's brother, sister, mother, wife, dad, grandfather, son, daughter gets beaten or arrested? And then they're forced into the fray, not because of any political issue, but because of familial issues. This is the downward spiral Cuba faces itself in. And you know what?